And welcome to our Palangi Show. Bulamanak to all our listeners tuning in this morning. Getting ready to another school day today.
Yes.
Inshallah, ni Andra ni Matvinaka, Andra Eleanor, and Andra Demis.
Morning to all who are tuning in this beautiful Tuesday morning. It's so Monday. Kami kan sarang mari bulin. Morning the bus, the students. Ayan yan binaka ni mata binaka ni taki ni sava coach na homework. Sa pabaro taliti ko era bukan ni kaya tegu tagi talento ni singing qaravi tabi and mataka binaka in the and also to the parents, the hardworking parents who are tuning in this beautiful morning, heading to work. We hope that you will enjoy today.
Good morning to Rombela, Milio, K Junior, and Makole Shule Vumbua, and the family joining this morning. And not forgetting everyone, everybody, in every time you face, not forgetting the Nasova.
Right, the family that are tuning in from Nasova, this beautiful morning. Tinay limiba buina kelo, bayanra binaka na Nadule family tuning in from Nasova Police Barrack in Suva this morning.
And we keep the Dems, ready Dems man on the screen, please, Kerkere.
How are you?
He looks like
yes. Kachimonge saranga na mataka di kobe kimne no kanda adochi ko kachimonge na vite FM na baga damisinga Dems kakai. You look different saranga Dems.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yesterday and today binabale usara vito kani. Go na number 1 catch 0.
Go number one.
Number 1.
Number one from the blade.
Go ke pas
Number one
Italia
from the
tu mate na so ke me pas Italia tu. Hello qaravi me virtu na kai mela ko ilo mani
Barik.
Melo mani barik. Ilo mani
Barik na the program.
Arturo tu ko naman turo visa. Go to the doghouse.
Sera yang makin dile nangi ang bola na kawen ni house. Kamnel ni boy nanda keke state reketi. They are joining this morning. Hey, mbula rege amasi. Hey, brother Joki rekambula all the way from UK. Dav, ndona puno may England. Dav.
Dabs.
Iyo, ndona puno ba ya?
Joki rekambula. Taxi na motolo.
Mbula na ka LT 1230. To everybody joining this morning, it's hey, Greg Jr., Bola Binaka, and everyone joining this morning. If you see outside, you look outside, how beautiful Fiji is.
Okay. And I'm very happy because when I came this morning, I already hang the clothes.
Yeah, satu tolo area.
And when I look outside and I see the sun is shining nicely, es ausamaraw nusugay ko, the clothes are dry.
Dono mo binaka. Sa bulong ko nung brother.
Sa sister.
Bulong sister.
Okay.
Sister, brother.
Na nanduin ni snow pati kina ice.
Okay. The snow you can pass through.
Right.
The ice is a form of solid particle that you can pass by.
Right.
So the snow, you can pass the snow. Like in a form of liquid form to solid. So ice can melt.
Right.
It's a solid,
Right.
Can melt to liquid.
Right.
So when snow can evaporate.
Okay. Okay, form baka snow, form baka na ice.
The ice is depend on the temperature applies.
Right.
Whether it's cold or hot.
Right, renabo.
So where there is so much cold, the temperature is so high. So a season breeze.
Right.
That enable them. So whenever you see ice, ice only on North Pole, South Pole.
Right.
That's on the earth.
No.
Because they are in a certain area where there is temperature is so high. The temperature ni cold, So
so low.
So snow, snow. Wala tayo mo salang Snow, they are season kind.
Right. Baka to may seasonal crop, Okay. Okay. Uli sang ulit naman talaga kabiyata ro.
May atu leway ko.
Right. Uli. Okay. That brings my mind to another question.
Raisi ka na karimbul makaw.
Totoka.
Why is kutu living on certain people's hair and not others? Why?
Because depend on how you groom your hair.
Don't fancy. There's no hair now. There's no kutu living there.
Depend. Aturan mo yung na-ice no nang kabo ko Dems. Mula nakapita tumbo na rawa. Amay bere. General machine fine
Tell us this morning. Tell the listeners.
Tell.
Why is kutu living on somebody's hair and not the other one's hair?
Why?
Depend on high
Even
hope.
though they're living in the same house.
Right.
Depend on the high hope of how you groom your hair.
High hope.
Yeah.
High altitude.
Yeah. Tapo ko rakambol benwa. Depend on how you groom your hair and how healthy you are.
Right.
Oi.
Because in this ecosystem,
right.
in this earth,
yes.
in this environment, you go like this. Okay, this is an example. Excuse me. This is an example. If you go to the bush,
right.
If that bush does not hunting by a hunter,
right.
The pig will remain there as it is.
Right.
And untouched. Because nobody there to hunt them.
Right.
Engage them.
Okay.
So the kutu, if nobody
similarly
apply that formula into a head of a person of a human being.
Okay.
Right.
If the hair is untouched,
right.
They will live there. They will live there to nambulutika baka turanga baka maramambali.
But still, some of them comb their hair every day and still kutu living there.
Because some people in the house, they have their kutu too. Because when we sleep, they're roaming around. They trespass from one head to another. Because they find food. They are fighting each other in a small environment.
Okay. Hold on. Okay. So this is a scenario,
right?
These two are dating, like one beautiful girl, what I can do a boy go. The boy doesn't have the kutu. Is it possible when they date and meet at the super for sure, they meet one time, they getting close to each other. Is it possible for the kutu from the girl to trespass to this boy?
The kutu to have menace. The kutu to have menace. They respect their loved ones.
Right.
On the hand. Sarangga indo.
So the kutu has the mona that says, this is mine too.
This
is my area of responsibility.
If you see on the microscope,
This one is very dangerous. They got they suck the blood from our head as their food, as their source of income. Right, if you when people passed away or when someone is dead, you can see the kutu will leave the hair. Will leave because they can able to live there because the blood are not circulated. True. They only eat the fresh blood. Right. Because that's our only food. Right. They. If you are kutu, kaya mo kuto iko. No. Iko mo kuto tangan sa kutelewa. Kutelewa nara. Hey, no, because it's so hard for them to live. Some of us we just take a telewu. Kutu katelewu bimbi bola raketen. Lang ngapong ko ting, kamata kamo ko na lutu. Ni kalimu na kiting. Nangade man na dapon bilim-bilim man. Kaya na kutu. Ni ngono ko coach pakalagala kasi nga dala kutu bisinga. Ano na ka tambobula? Blenheim. Isa. Tamay sa kanabula yan binaka may Blenheim ni Zealandia. Nabitalay ni Bota. Do yan binaka. Kenleyville may Serene. Serme kay Bota ibay arto na bili niutinggo abo ni the mere rupe ni Soro. Iya. To yan ra. Isa, binabalik besar. Ya, porque primero kada so kada vitalo tukina da bin rabagi tukina na matang di kuwa. So era chubir no kutur be mondo ato ka batin ni talo takina matang. Ni ka kun mondo. Mo na ka ngani vitalo kan bin rabagi ada baga tambisinga no. Wanga bro enre, wanga malu. Tabai batu kuna ko me kutu sembe. Kutu sembe me lebuna bunwa dal me tukina. You got respected kutu. Naka. Itu tal tu air na lewa kutu. Elesi tiri tu kana Josephine. Gori. Oy ko adile wa kutu. Artole kutu may ngau. Nadula ya sawa tinay laite do yar binaka. Yar binaka may nadula menete sa mo malawi. Buita wa kenebs mbole binaka may bambasinga pa ni binana buni veiqaravi na mataka ni kuwa. Ano nabu? Ndapa ni binaka ni kuwa na singa tu city. Viendre tumbe kana toso se o baba kila tu ni tao tumbe kana no mutilo ndo na suni sok.
Ngole pandimbula.
Beraka kita sampai kita bagi cari kita sampai nuni malak cuani. Era budi tapi duit yang qaravi. Era bi pernah di porong bulu mikir. Nabi kor taka nabi saibiti nabi tiku-tiku bangalala nabi saya berbura.